Welcome back to my kitchen, where today we are making a refreshing cucumber lemonade to beat the coming heat. Start by juicing 3 or so lemons. We are shooting for a half cup of lemon juice. Follow this by slicing up a cucumber, which will join our lemon juice in the blender. Blend this together with the goal of getting as liquidous a mixture as possible. Pour the blended mixture through a strainer and into a pitcher, using a spoon to press down on the mixture, forcing as much liquid out as possible. Next, we're going to slice up another cucumber and repeat the blending process, but this time we will be adding the leaves from 5 or 6 sprigs of mint. I'm only doing this in batches because I'm using a hand blender. If you have a full-size blender, feel free to do it all at once. For sweetness, mix in 3 tablespoons of honey. Substitutes can be agave syrup or even just sugar, but if you are going to use sugar, be conservative. Finally, top it off with 36 ounces of seltzer water. You can use more or less, but we are looking for a 1-to-1 ratio of our cucumber lemon mixture to seltzer water. Mix it all together and you're ready to serve. This drink is great on its own, but let's make it a little bit better by turning it into a cocktail. Add in 1 or 2 shots of vodka, serve it over ice, and garnish with a lemon wedge and fresh mint leaves. If you like this video, consider watching another. If you want to see more videos in the future, hit the subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.